It's Simpol time and this is Chef Tatong and today gagawa tayo ng isang very popular Southeast Asian street food. Let's get cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha, ha.
This popular street food is also found in a lot of Thai, Malaysian, and Indonesian restaurants kasi it's very easy to eat and even tayo mga Pilipino, we love it also kasi we have our own version of this. It's chicken satay and it's meat on sticks. So, pwedeng pork, pwedeng chicken, at pwede ding beef. But for today, we're making a chicken version using chicken from Fresh Options. And it's very easy, no? So, I'm using chicken leg quarter fillets, no? So, ideally, yung gamit natin, yung mga fatty part ng chicken para pagkain natin, medyo juicy siya, no? Or if you use breast, you have to be very careful that you don't overcook it or else magiging dry siya and alam mo, medyo tough din ang kanyang texture. So, we just dice it up to around 1-inch cubes. So, our marinade is very simple, no? We start off with soy sauce, just regular soy sauce like Silver Swan. And we use Thai patis. We're using Jufran Thai patis. Yan. And we're also using Jufran sriracha. Very difficult sambal paste. We're just using sriracha. So that's around 2 tablespoons of sriracha. We're also using 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Yeah. So instead of making again the sambal, we're just using curry powder to, mimic the chicken satay. Peanut butter. We have 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Yeah. Brown sugar. 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Yan. I tell you guys, sobrang simple na ating recipe but sobrang sarap nito. 4 tablespoons of pineapple juice. Yan. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Yan. Sobrang easy. Look at that, no? And our marinade is done. Just let that sit for a moment. Yan. Let's let it sit for around 10 to 15 minutes while I'm making our satay sauce. It's very simple to do. I just combine my ingredients. Again, we start off with our curry powder, around a tablespoon of curry powder. Brown sugar, that's around 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Peanut butter, 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. You can use the chunky or you can use the medyo Pinoy na sweet peanut butter if you want. Soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And just a teaspoon of sriracha. So, you can make it spicier if you want. Mix that together. And of course, I'm adding coconut milk. 1 cup of coconut milk or gata. Okay? Mix it slowly. Yan. Combine. So, that will be both our dipping sauce as well as our basting sauce. So, when we grill the chicken, ito yung ibabrush natin. So, I just dissolved everything. Yung gagawin ko, I'm going to skewer. Tutuhugin ko yung aking chicken. And we just thread it. Of course, some people like it with skin. Some people don't like it with skin. Ako, I like it with the skin kasi it's a little bit of fat. So, a little bit of fat gives flavor. Yan. So, don't forget to soak the bamboo sticks or else it will burn. Lalo na pag you're cooking with charcoal. So, that's the reason I have it in a glass of water. So, our chicken is already done. And I've achieved the, the consistency I like for the sauce. But to give it a little sheen, lalagyan ko lang siya ng sesame oil. Around a tablespoon of sesame oil. Just to give it a nice glossy finish and also that nutty aroma. And we start to grill. So, let's just arrange it in our grill pan. Yan, we turn the chicken to the other side. So how do you know that your chicken is cooked? So when you press it, tingnan mo, hindi na siya nagwa-wobble. Pag naging firm na yung meat niya, ibig sabihin luto na siya. Pero pag medyo malambot pa siya, wobbly pa siya, ibig sabihin hilaw pa yung loob niya. So, almost done. Ayan. And just before serving, as a last finishing touch, we just brush our chicken with our peanut sauce. And our chicken satay is done. We just have a bit of the sauce. Ayan. Have some garnish. Meron tayong cucumber. Ayan. Tomato and an onion. Half an onion. Ayan. Just like julienne. And of course, some tomatoes. Ayan. Some wedges. Here. And just garnish with some chopped peanuts. And of course, some cilantro. Very Southeast Asian yung ating dish for today. And this recipe is part of our Simpol cookbook series, kaya we're trying to make cooking as simple as ABC. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing, kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!